Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Jean D., the Assistant Chief of Clinics of UC Medical Center. Tonight, I would like to update you on the heart condition of Nonito Limchua. We all know that in our basic anatomy that there are 4 chambers and the septum and valves that will control the one-way movement of the blood from one chamber to another. In the year 1994, coronary angiogram showed that there was a 90% blockage of the LAD artery, or what we call the widowmaker, supplying the whole left front wall of the heart, with giving us a very high mortality rate. Ejection fraction at that time was 40%, or even less than 40%, and this explains how he had a heart failure during that fatal heart attack. And we all know that that heart could already provide not enough oxygen-rich blood to the rest of his vital organs. At present, the left side of the heart shows how loving this heart has become, showing that it has concentric left ventricular hypertrophy, meaning it has already thickened with moderate slowing of the heart muscles involving the base up to the apex, including the interventricular septums. In effect, the anterior atrium has already been dilated and already enlarged, but suffice it to know that his volume indices is normal. But lo and behold, the overall ejection fraction of this heart is normal at 62% compared to less than 40% 23 years ago. The severely damaged heart could have developed collaterals to make it survive and regenerate, to explain how he can have a normal cardiac output at present. The constant challenge for us today between medical science and the biblical miracle is whether this miracle can be validated in the field of medicine, for that matter, by science as a whole. This particular miracle only proves that science and biblical scriptures are not in conflict with one another, but rather science confirms the validity of this miracle. But before I end, my brothers and sisters, I'd like you to focus on this view. It is very amazing that in front of me here, in front of us, we can clearly see that it's like Mama Mary here trying to help resuscitate the heart of Tatay here, and he has continued to bless him up to the present and continue to guide him all the days of his life. And I'd like to thank you for your attention. Good evening.
Mr. Nonito Limchua, as the head servant of Voices of Love in Cebu, the president of Cebu Catholic Television Network, member of the Screening Committee, CCTN, lay member, Commission on Social Communications, lay member of the Blessed Pedro Calungsod Foundation, president of Phil Products Group of Companies, chairman of Cotabato Cable TV Incorporated, chairman of Marawi Cable TV Incorporated, and chairman of Surigao Cable TV Incorporated, and president of the NAL Foundation Incorporated. A very own Tatay Dodong.